Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so in my Tuesday morning haul, I mentioned that I would be doing a flip through of the paper pads that I had shown you. And so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick flip through, 5 minutes or less if I can help it, of this paper pad called Discover by Paper House. Okay, and so it's loaded with beautiful adventure and travel themed prints and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and start that off here. Now, let's just see if I can show you that here without totally destroying the setup here. Okay, so you've got card stock stickers. Now, I've already started into this pad because I needed to do a traveler's notebook layout, in which I'll show you in this, one of the Saturday sip and shares. It may come before or after this video, just depends. Anyways, but so I used this here for one of the journal spots, and it has quite a few of these cardstock stickers. You have the burlap print alpha stickers, in addition to the let me just zoom in just a bit so you can see, in addition to the green smaller alpha stickers. And so I'm gonna zoom back out so you can see the whole page. So yeah, anyways, so then you have the borders, you have some bicycle and camera and this little moped and different words to inspire, you know, adventure. Should I say to inspire. So now this was one that I absolutely love. I love the foil. I am a fan of all teals, lights and darks, and it just really is a beautiful print. And I hate to even use it, but whatever, I'm gonna have to, or I'm gonna end up hoarding it. You've got some journaling cards, and again, this paper pad, the paper weight is a little bit thicker than the one that I showed in the last video. But anyway, so you got some journaling cards and cut aparts and really pretty colors. Look at that, Discover, and that's in foil. Let's go with foil. Clouds, looks like a sunset. It's really pretty. And then I used this paper already in the layout. This is Paris is always a good idea, in which case it is, in my opinion. Okay, look at that. You've got maps of streets. That's chocolate color. You've got some more cut aparts, journaling spots, and you know, you can always use these for tags or cards. You can use these, you know, in any type of paper craft. It's not just for journaling. Okay, and then you've got this chevron print with the airplane car, the smaller compact car, the bicycle, and the moped. I really think it's cute. And now you've got London. Look at that, with beautiful foiling again, silver foiling. And I think that's Big Ben. Isn't it? Isn't that Big Ben? One day I'll get to London. This is the paper that I used in the Traveler's Notebook. So this is the green version of the street maps. And then you have more of the journaling cards. I like this Burberry print, you know, because it's a London theme. And then you've got the British flag, UK. Then you've got some landmarks here, so that's an ongoing theme, which I really love. And then you look at this, one of the 7 wonders, a cup of tea, or should we say a spot of tea, far and away. And this has gold foiling. I don't know if you can see it, but there's gold foiling throughout those cut aparts. So you've got one with a few words, different words: adventure, travel, sightsee, destination, see the world, wander. It says when in Rome. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the Roman ruins. Let me just zoom that in a little bit for you guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is really pretty. Zoom that back out. more street maps, more cut apart, and you have it's gold foiling. You've got the Roman, the ruins from their, I forgot what's the, not a cathedral, it's a, what's the name of this? It's a, it's going to come to me as soon as I come off here. Then you have the streets in, I want to say Rome or Italy, the waterways, where you have to use a boat to get to and fro. La Vita è Bella. La Vita è Bella. All roads lead to Rome, don't it? Ciao Bella. And then you have a countryside landscape right here. So pretty. More of a graphic print, and then it's the patterns repeat all over again. So anyways, there we are at 5 minutes and 49 seconds. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of new uploads as I throw them up into the YouTube universe. And for those who are current subscribers and new subscribers, thanks so much for joining and being a part of the crafty community. I appreciate all of your feedback, your input, your likes, your comments, your shares, and I just encourage you to continue follow me on this crafty journey, inspiring one. And until we're back here again on YouTube together again, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.